That was an epic battle. Christ. I've had the heat on it, I've had the air chisel on it. More heat, more air chisel. I had the big water pump pliers. Jesus Christ. Because it doesn't help, it's bloody hot out here. But I only want to get dirty once, you see. So I thought, well, I'll come up after dinner, try and get this done. I'm back on the digger. I don't know if it's going to get fitted again today. Anyway, I'm going to pull this, rod out. It's bloody hot. That's the trouble. It's so hot now. I was only using like a little blowtorch, plumbing thing, nothing special, because I've run out of acetylene, oxygen, one of them. Anyway, that's by the by. Got it properly hot. I managed to get it off. Jesus Christ. Oh. Anyway, I'm going to let it cool down a little bit. Find out where the seals are. I've got a full set of seals for all the rams on this digger. I've got them off eBay. I think I got my mum and dad to bring it back over. Obviously, parts, you can find parts in France, but they're quite expensive. You can find them so easy in the UK, but of course Brexit's really cocked up the shipping. So the shipping's gone up really high, and of course then you've got to pay import tax. So I have it shipped to my sister's house, and then mum and dad bring it back out when they come over, so. Anyway, I'm gonna let this cool down and then we'll take it all out, clear the bench a little bit and see what we can find. Just gotta put that one in there, which we'll do tomorrow. We'll put some oil in it. There's no oil in it at the minute, look. We'll lift the boom ram up so that whole arm goes up, which will let that go that way. Then we can just drop that in there and put the pin in. And then hopefully that will be finished. What a bastard of a job. The worst bit was getting that gland cap seal thing off. Getting the ram off the digger was easy enough. Pipes came undone easy enough, but just getting that off, it's all back together now, new seals and everything. We're gonna just chuck some oil in it tomorrow, lift it up, put the pin in, and fingers crossed, I've put some shims in there. I don't know if you can see that, I've put some shims in there just to take a bit of play out, but it's quite close to the old pipe. So I've cable tied the pipes together, because they don't move that much, but I don't want it chafing on that thing, because that'll soon go through the pipe. So yeah, I'll have to keep an eye on that. If it does look like it's going to be chafing, then I'll have to take that pin out and put different shims in it. There's a bit of play in it. It had like these plastic shims in it. Those shims came with the bucket pin kit that I got. Yeah, we're back with you tomorrow. We'll top up with oil, and yeah, that'll be that job done. Oh. Day 2, we're back on the digger. That ram's all done. I ground the shims down so that they weren't going to interfere with the pipe. I've left the pipe cable tied up so that it will keep it right out of the way. But yeah, I'm not worried about that now. It was just a bit close. I was a bit wobbly here. Hang on, got them shaky hands. So yeah, we've refilled the oil. There is a procedure on these mini diggers for filling the oil. You have to extend everything out so all the rams are closed, check your oil, fill it up to the right level. Then you have to, with the cap still off the tank, on these diggers anyway, you then fold everything up. So you bring the arm all the way up, you bring the boom all the way up, then the dipper arm in, curl the bucket all the way up, swing the boom to the side, lift the ram up, the dozer blade up, so that all the rams are open, closed, one way. If you've got a Takeuchi TB06, there is a manual on my website. Check the links below. It's all free of charge. I did pay for it, but I'm sharing the love. So yeah, while we was out here today, also we just popped the bonnet off the back, and I fitted the 2 filters, which we ordered at the same time we got the tracks. So I'll just show you that now. That one there is fairly easy. That one's a bit of a twat, right underneath the fuel tank, but it's done. It's not leaking. All pressurized up. I've blown the radiator out while we're at it as well. So we'll get the bonnet put back on and we can park this up. So that's it again. Not a how-to video, but just a bit of an update on the digger. There's always something to fix. If you run plant machinery or anything like that, you will know. But yeah, we do abuse these things. But we do look after them. We do what we need to do to fix them. And luckily, we can do it ourselves. So it saves us a lot of money. So that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you next one. Bye for now.